Welcome back there, Coastal Bad Meteorologist Devin Dixon here with the live look outside, or with a sky cam. We've had some beautiful temperatures today, warming up kind of into those 80s right now for a lot of our neighborhoods. We're actually going to see more warmth as we head further into the week. Well, you can see we're at 75 in Rockport, 77 in Ingleside, 71 in Port Aransas, 75 at the Naval Air Station, and 79 here in Corpus Christi. But then we see the 80s, 83 for Mathis, 82 for Beeville, 81 for Robstown, 82 also for Kingsville. Further inland going west, we're definitely into the mid to upper 80s as well, on the cusp of 90 there. Current winds still coming out of the southeast, mainly increased there for Corpus Christi, the Naval Air Station, and Kingsville, 22 miles per hour. And now we're about to get more into the gusty winds for our afternoon into the evening. From about now until 7 o'clock, you'll see about 31 miles per hour with wind gusts. We'll hang on to a good pattern until about early morning into Wednesday before our wind gusts elevate again, which isn't so great for our fire danger weather. So right now for our average high temperatures for March is about 75, 76 degrees, but we've been exceeding that pretty much since the beginning of March. And so today, well, we hit a high of 81. We didn't break record today because that was back in 2006, but 81 is still above 75 and 76. And as far as the rest of the week and into the following, our forecast high temperatures remain above normal before we take a dip into the 20th, which will be the marking of our spring season. But we're going to be very warm this week. Hour by hour, though, we're going to come out of the 70s by 8 p.m. tonight and be at 69 degrees. Still a strong wind pattern. It's about moderate in the teens. By 11, we'll be at 66 degrees. And by the time we get to midnight, 65, and we'll be in the low 60s headed into our Wednesday morning. So we won't be starting our morning super cold, but with that forecast fire danger, right now we're still in a moderate range. We'll start to see that change a little bit here and there, but into Wednesday, it's going to look the same. But Thursday is going to be extreme for us. And this is obviously this is updating, very high for Corpus Christi. Further inland, definitely extreme. Well, that's because those temperatures are going to soar upward. When we look at our humidity forecast, we get better and then we dry out and then we get better. On Wednesday around 10 o'clock, our values will look great, but we'll still have some of those gusty winds. But the humidity will look better, but we also have to take into effect how dry it's going to be and how hot it's going to be. We have temperatures that are going to be on the cusp of almost 100 degrees for some of our neighborhoods. We'll definitely be hitting the 90s by Friday. Thursday, as you can see, presents a warm opportunity for us, so we're not out of the woods just yet when it comes to fire danger weather. Something we'll be keeping our eye on all week long, but we also have another windy day ahead tomorrow with warm temperatures.